Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 27th, Friday, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, pretty good day for Tesla. To be honest, surprised, but I'm happy. We are up $10.76. That's good for 1.53%. And we closed at $711.92. Post-market, we are down a little bit, 17 cents. Yesterday, we bounced. We touched the support at 697. And stochastic was at 64. So I was really convinced that Tesla was going to go down to this support here, but no. It rebounded on 697. We have a green candle today, higher low. Do we have a higher high of today at 715? No, we don't have a higher high. So basically, this move is surprising me a little bit, but we are not yet of the woods because see, we have this resistance that I drew yesterday. So this resistance still has not been broken. Broken just a little bit during the day. This is not really significant. But okay, maybe Tesla is stronger for now than I thought. Or maybe it's just a good Friday and Monday we are still heading back down. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. 930 was right here. So we opened quite high here. Went also super high. Look at this. There are no coincidences. Look at this. We went up to the resistance, right smack on it. It's, I never cease to be amazed by technical analysis. Then second hour, third hour, fourth hour, fifth hour, we were pretty strong, but then got rejected. Look at this. We got rejected at 130, went outside of the resistance, then we're pushed back down. The other hour, same thing. Look at the body of the candle. The body is just right on the resistance. And the last hour of today, the body is just under it. This is quite interesting. We are really hugging that resistance. And stochastic wise, yeah, let's use RSI a little bit also. Stochastic wise, we were above 80 when we were right here. But now that we are at the same level, stochastic is not as high. So I think I was off by 1 day. So we might be going down next week a little bit. Short, we might be going down. And the same thing with the RSI. So RSI is showing the strength of the stock, similar to what stochastic shows. And we also have the same thing here. So the move that we had today is lower, so this move has a value of 58, whereas we were around 60 here when we were in this region here of August 23rd, 24th, and 25th. So this is telling me that we might be going down, as I mentioned yesterday. Let's look at indicators here. So did MACD cross over? No, MACD has not crossed over. So MACD has not given us the signal. Stochastic, again, on the daily chart, stochastic at 77. Not too bad, but look at this here. This was higher. This was higher. I think this is a weaker move. This move here is weaker. Something might change next week, but so far, this is what we can see. DMI is still positive. And the RSI is also showing us a little bit of a weakness for this move here. So we'll have to take a look at what happens next week. So stay tuned. If you subscribe to this channel, you will get a notification when I produce my videos for Tesla and Palantir. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk Monday, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.